In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CV using Canva with easy steps for 2025. If you've ever wanted to make a professional-looking CV without the hassle of complicated software, you're in the right place. Canva, a platform known for its user-friendly interface and wide array of templates, makes this process incredibly simple and efficient. So, let's dive into it. To get started, head over to Canva's website. Once you're there, pay attention to the search bar located prominently at the top. In this bar, type CV and hit enter. This simple action will open up a vast selection of CV templates for you to choose from. You might be wondering why starting with a template is recommended. Well, templates offer a well-structured framework that is both visually appealing and functional, designed by professionals to give your CV a polished look without needing graphic design skills. Browse through the array of templates and allow yourself some time to explore the diverse range of styles available. Whether your preference leans towards something modern, minimalist, or a bit more creative, there's definitely something that will align with your vision. Choose a template that reflects your personal style and conveys the impression you want to leave on potential employers. Remember, the template you select sets the tone of your CV and can subtly influence how the viewer perceives you as a candidate. Once you've picked a template you like, you'll see an option labeled Customize this template. This is your cue to begin personalizing the design. This is where Canva's intuitive features really shine. Its drag-and-drop functionality makes it incredibly easy to customize any aspect of the template, whether it's the fonts, colors, layout, or graphics. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements. Your CV should communicate your personality while maintaining a professional front. Now, let's move on to the most crucial part: editing the CV to your liking. Begin by adding your name and contact information, and include a professional photo if you wish. Carefully detail your educational background, work experience, skills, and any pertinent certifications or achievements. As this document is your first impression on potential employers, ensure your information is precise and clearly presented. Tailor the content to spotlight the experiences and skills most pertinent to the job you're aiming for. Conclude this step by thoroughly proofreading your CV to catch any spelling or grammatical errors. A small but essential effort for leaving a polished impression. Finally, once you're happy with how everything looks, download your CV. Canva offers formats like PDF, which is ideal for maintaining the formatting when you send it out. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted professional CV ready to impress. Canva transforms what could be a daunting task into a straightforward and even enjoyable experience. With your new CV in hand, you're well on your way to making a lasting impression in your job applications. Thanks for following along today, and happy job hunting.